Here's what I think of all you haters. Here's what I think about it. That's it. I brush it off my shoulder. That's it. Khalas. You can post anything you like. You can make up. Wallah, actually, and I want to be very sincere here. Those people that backbite me at home or online or sitting amongst their friends or in coffee shops or in McDonald's or wherever, Jazakumullahu khairan.
You're giving him good deeds.
You know, I don't have a lot of good deeds, and I'm worried about making it to Jannah, but you are giving me hope. Your backbiting might get me into Jannah.
Subhanallah.
So on the day of judgment, when that hisab is going on, and I don't have enough good deeds, your backbiting, bring it on. And if you run out of deeds, then I got sins for you to take.
Subhanallah.
So I'm not worried about them. Don't worry about anybody.
Worry about what Allah thinks of you.
That's it.
That's beautiful.
You and Allah. That's all. If that relationship is strong, don't worry about hasad, don't worry about ain, don't worry about backbiters, don't worry about plotters.